The department has a legacy of 72 years and known for quality education and outstanding performance. In 1949, the department is established, and it is offering BSc, BA and MSc courses since 1949. In 1958, Professor UN Singh started the research activities in the field of analysis. Since then, the department is recognized nationally and internationally in the field of analysis. The department is having 2 computer labs, LAN network and mathematical softwares like MATLAB, Maple. Department is having 1 National Board of Higher Mathematics funded library, which has the very rich collection of all the research monographs, latest research books and journals. Department is also having 1 seminar hall which is well equipped. This is all about the department. Now the department has very highly qualified teachers, and they are motivating the students not only for the higher study to attend some seminars, workshops which are usually conducted by the IITs, and every year at least 4 to 5 BSc students, undergraduate students and 4 to 5 postgraduate students are just participating in such a workshop or seminars. Our department is regularly organizing the national conferences, workshop, and has also organized the international conference, and very eminent mathematicians and field medalists have visited the department, and the staff members and students have participated in the discussions, and they have motivated the students for the higher study. Every year department is organizing 1 workshop for problem solving techniques in mathematics to help the students to crack the NET, GSET, then GATE, such entrance examinations. And if you see the records of last 10 years, every year at least 4 to 5 students are clearing the NET examinations, 4 to 5 students are clearing the GATE examinations, at least 3 to 4 undergraduate students are getting the admission in the MSc courses in good IITs or NITs. Just this recently the NET has published the result, and from our department 4 students has cleared the NET examinations, and recently the Gujarat government has conducted interview for the GPSC examination, and from all over the Gujarat they have selected 10 candidates, 10 applicants. Out of that 4 applicants were from our department, who are selected as an assistant professor to teach in the government colleges. Even many of our students have joined the researches in IITs, NITs and abroad also. So department is motivating the students for the higher educations. So department is having the several specializations for the researches like Fourier analysis, spatial function, topology, theory of relativity, fluid dynamics. Recently 80 students are pursuing their researches as a full-time GRF in the department. Our faculty members have internationally collaborations with many reputed institutes of Greece, Hungary, Korea. They openly visit there under the cultural exchange program. Actually, in the last year presentations, in the open house presentations, our students have prepared some models, some puzzles and some mathematical concept so that they can visualize the geometrical interpretation of that. Okay. But since this year we have to make it the online, so our students are preparing some videos to visualize the geometrical interpretations of mathematical concept and some models. Say for example, what will be the intersection of a cone with intersection of a plane with a conic with a different angles, how you can visualize the 3-dimensional any figure. So all such videos, and say for example simple applications of mathematics in say computer science. See that how the students are nowadays taking the selfie. Okay, that is nothing but the matrix representation of an image in the digital format, and how you can manipulate or how you can enhance the image. So some mathematical tools how you are using, they are also planning to represent in the In this, our past MSc student Nishant Pancholi, he has awarded the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award for his researches in the mathematical science in 2019. Presently, he is working in the Mathematical Science Institutes of Chennai, which is very internationally very reputed institutes for mathematics. And one of our MSc student is presently a faculty member at the IIT Gandhinagar. One of the students is also as a faculty member in Brazil, and many other our MSc students are pursuing their researches in IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Hyderabad, and many other reputed institutes. So that way our department students are really performing very well. Okay, thank you.
Satyam Shri